Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this hair look, and this video is in partnership with Hergivenhair, so big shout out to them. But if you are interested in how I got this look, then stay tuned. I know it's been a minute since I dropped a video, but I am back with another video today, and I'm going to be showing you guys the wet look, but I'm going to be switching it up because I'm going to be adding some inches, some clip-ins. Hopefully this goes well because I think it's a really cute look and a cute vibe and style. So I'm going to do it, but I want to amp it up a little bit by adding a little bit of length. So I'm going to be using the Hergivenhair clip-ins, and this is a full bundle of 18 inches curly clip-in hair by, like I said, Hergivenhair, and is the natural brown color. I already washed it. I co-washed it using my 𝗛𝗶𝗜 conditioner. This is actually my favorite conditioner to use for natural hair extensions because it works really good and it is super cheap. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to moisturize my hair using the TGIN Miracle Repair Curl Food, and I'm not going to put a lot of this because I'm not exactly sure how it's going to mix with the gel that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using a lot of gel. So I'm just going to moisturize it just a little bit so it's not super dry. This smells really good. Okay, so now I'm just going to take a section from the back, like a small section, so we can get started. Okay, so now that I have my little section in the back, I'm going to take it, add a little bit of water, and brush through it. See how my roots light and then my ends dark? Hot mess. An absolute hot mess. But I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna go to a professional and get my hair colored so I can, you know, fix this atrocity. But for my gel, I'm gonna be using the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. This is really good when it comes to mixing my clip-ins with my real hair, like blending them together. So I feel like it'll be perfect for this. So I'm just gonna really go in and use a lot of this gel. Ooh, I wonder if it's gonna show. So I picked out the size clip-in that I'm going to use. This is a 2-clip weft, and before I apply it, I'm just going to wet it and add the gel before. Brush through it. This currently has no product on it. And just add the gel. Then I just open the clips, and then I'm going to clip it away. And then I'm going to rake them together. And for the rest of my head, I just continue like that, parting out my section, defining my section, then separately defining the clip-in hair and then clipping it in. And I just want to talk a little bit about this hair. As you can see, it blends perfectly with my hair. It has so much definition, so much shine, and you'll see in the final look that it really came through. Like, it did not come to play, and the quality of the hair is good. I can use the clip-ins over and over. Only reason that I get new ones is because my hair color changes so often, but if it wasn't for that, the curls will last as long as you maintain it. So make sure you guys check the description box for all the information on this hair. Make sure you visit hergivenhair.com and get you some clip-ins. I end up using the entire bundle, and you only need one for a full head. So yeah. And don't forget to part out a section in the back to cover the tracks. You want all of the tracks to be covered. I was so excited about how good my hair was blended and how poppin' these curls were. But to finish off the look, I'm just going to brush my hair back and slick it back and tie it down with my scarf. And this was my final result. My hair was so cute even once it dried, and I got so many compliments on it. So if you haven't tried the wet look, make sure you try it, and make sure you visit my description box for more information on this hair, and visit hergivenhair.com. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. I ain't too proud to beg, so what's been said